What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. I want everyone to be healthy, be safe, maybe be more positive, but just to be a better version of yourself than yesterday. So anyways, before we get started on this video, I just want to thank Peng for this multi-run, What You Got Bro, for this awesome quality t-shirt. And I will leave his information on the description box, and check him out. Get yourself a t-shirt, support What You Got Bro. So today's video, I'm going to do a 4-lug conversion to 5-lug. As far as the R32 Skyline, it was a GTS model, so it comes with 4 lugs. So I have all the component, and today we're gonna install. I'm not too sure how much I'm going to get it done. Seems like it's going to rain in a bit here, and it's been raining this past couple days. So I'm gonna try to get it done as possible, and so stick around and let's get it done. Before we get it started, the reason why I'm going for the 4 to 5 lug conversion is because you know, you're gonna have a better wheel selections and offset. Like I said, this Skyline was a 4 lug. Right now is holding a 4 to 5 adapter. It's not the safest, but it can be done. And also, you know, the factory rotors are pretty rusted. And yeah, that's the reason why that, you know, I'm changing to a 5 lug is to be safe as well while I'm drifting. Once you have the wheels taken out, here's the 4 to 5 adapter that I was talking about. So as you can see, you know, this is still the factory studs, the wheel studs. Here's one here, here, and here, and this is the only one that you have to take out and replace to the stud that GKTECH provide. So this is going to be taken out. We're going to have to remove the caliper, remove this bolt right here and this one, and also we may have to remove that nut right there for the auto tie rod. Then also we're gonna have to remove the axle nut, and yeah, and it should just come out. And I don't know how many times that I have to take all these apart, but yeah, it should be simple. And once we remove the rotor, then we will see the hub. So the hub that I'm going to be using is the S13 hub. So it's compatible to the R32. As long that you are, if you are going for the Z32 brake rotors and the Z32 caliper, then just stick to that. I may have to remove the shield as well. It's going to be some cutting involved, so I'm going to have fun with that. But if you want to stick to the S13 for the rotors and calipers, then just stick to it. So yeah, I'm going for upgraded brakes. So also I may have to upgrade my brake line. I bought the kit from GKTECH, so it's compatible for the Z32 calipers. Alright, finally got the adapter out. I was worried for a moment. yeah, I almost forgot to mention, if you guys do run these adapter, there's going to be some cutting involved on the rear studs. That way, you know, it can clear the adapter. All right, so these nuts are very fragile and it will strip. I tell you that. It don't really matter what company is made, it will strip. And you know what, you're gonna thank me later. Don't run it, but it's up to you. Anyway, so yeah, go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and take this capper out, get all these bolts out, and man, it is pouring. See, the rain man said it's gonna rain today, and it did. Hopefully it stops soon. Rain or shine, man, gotta get this thing done. To remove the hub bearing, there's 4 bolts on the back, so you're gonna have to remove that, and then put the 5 lug hub and put those bolts back on, and it should be simple. I'm gonna have to do some cutting in a bit here for the shield right here, because it's interfering to the Z32 brake rotors. Forgot to mention, these bolts are size 19, so I gotta loosen up already. And the hub, it should just you know, slip right out. Okay, so here's the 4 lug hub. All right, and then the 5 lug right here. Okay, so it's a direct fit, no need no modification. So all right, so let's go ahead and install that in. So right now everything is temporarily bolt on, because right now I'm gonna try to ply this shield out. That way my Z32 brake rotors, it will clear. But other than that, I'm like halfway done. Like I said, I'm going to replace that brake line. That way it's an upgrade to the Z32 calipers. Oh, finally, took the shield out. Good thing that I didn't have to do any a lot of cutting, but the tools that I use is just a hammer and a wire cutter. This is something for the fence and stuff like that, or like chicken wire, and it's good for it. It could cut through. And flathead or a chisel, and that's all I did. All I did was just breaking all the welds, and you know, it's only like probably like what, 4 point. And then yeah, just break the welds and just take your time and you know, just, you know, wiggle it and cut and pull. And yeah, it's not too bad. I thought it's going to be worse, but at this point I'm gonna take the brake line out and put the new one, and yeah, rotors and calipers and pads. That's how it look like once it's done. Right now I'm just mocking everything up. I just want to check the clearance, you see how it is, and yeah, the result pretty good. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna check it out, the part that I got from GKTECH. Here's all the brake line. This is for the kit. So it's the kit to remove the hard line for the front and the rear. So I'm gonna check how that goes, and I'm curious that if my stock brake line is compatible to the Z32 calipers. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it yet. If it does, then you know what, maybe I could just go with that route. That way, you know, I don't have to take everything out, but most likely I do, but I just want to check it out. Okay, there you have it. Everything is all tight. As far as the hub bolt, torque it down to about 65, and then the axle nut torqued it down to probably like 166. So everything's all tight now. As far as the GKTECH brake line is being installed. Alright, so everything is all good. Make sure that the brake line is not kink or anything. Make sure that it's flowing smoothly. So I'm using the used pad right now, just for temporary until my aftermarket that I purchased. I'm waiting on that too. So yeah, right now I just put the wheels back on and put the lug nut, call it a day. So the same process on the left rear, it should be the same thing for the right rear. And so I'm gonna do the rear first and work my way up to the front.